Today's video is going to be about comparative and superlative adjectives, and I'm going to be integrating it with math. So why don't we go ahead and take a look at that now. So for these, I've got a cuboid, pyramid, and a cylinder here with weight, and we're just going to fill in the blanks with the appropriate adjective for comparative and superlative. So let's go ahead and do letter C. The cylinder has a great blank mass in the pyramid. So what are you going to put there? The cylinder has a greater mass than the pyramid, and we'll do the same thing for the rest. Letter D, the cuboid is the heaviest. Letter E, the pyramid is lighter than a cuboid. Letter F, the cuboid is heavier in mass than the cylinder. And letter G, the pyramid is the lightest. And all this is based off of the information shown right here. For letters H through K, we'll look at the picture here and complete it. For letter H, Sanchia's train is longer than Gus's train. For letter I, Gus's train is shorter than Sanchia's train. For letter J, Gus's train is the shorter. Now, we don't use shortest because the superlative shortest can only be used when comparing the lengths of more than two things. So you got to keep that in mind when you're doing this. For letter K, Sanchia's train has more carriages than Gus's train, and again, in some cases, more is used. So the word more is placed in front of the adjective or adverb to form the comparative. And the word most is placed in front of the adjective or adverb to form the superlative. More interesting, most interesting is one example. More logical, most logical is another example. Okay, so I just wanted to explain why we used more here for letter K. And for the bonus activity, just draw your own picture and write two sentences to compare length, or you can compare, length or mass, something like that. Just write two sentences, just like what you saw me do, and that's the bonus activity. I just wanted to show you some examples of ER, EST, comparative and superlatives, and just do a basic fill in the blank where you can practice this. Now, there is some reading and writing comprehension, obviously, because you had to read the sentence to figure out which one to put. Okay, so I still try to emphasize that, even if we're doing something basic like fill in the blank. So that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me. I look forward to seeing you on the next video.